2024 is a polar year for me. From Greenland at 72° N to the Antarctic Peninsula at 64° S, my journey seems driven by wind, snow, ice, and frost, passionately intertwined. The polar world is like a white canvas through a window, as I rediscover this planet and myself between the silence of the icefields and the surging sea waves. In January, Ushuaia remains unpredictable. Standing at the harbour, I knew an adventure to Antarctica was about to begin. Although this is my second time stepping onto this white path, taking a ship to traverse the Drake Passage, I saw the first towering iceberg on the sea from afar, and glimpsed the outline of the Antarctic continent in the thick fog. My heart still couldn't calm down, as if the memories of the last time hadn't faded. This extremely cold land once again shocked my soul with its silent vastness and mystery. Every day at this location, I have the wonderful opportunity to observe multiple groups of penguins, watching them affectionately touch heads and gracefully waddle back and forth. Seeing the most carefree life forms in nature, their pure and simple beauty instantly makes me forget the severe cold, fostering warmth and emotion in my heart. Perhaps these small black and white creatures are the true masters of this frozen continent. 6 months later, during the summer solstice, the polar sunlight shone on Greenland at 72 degrees. Time seemed to blur here as we sailed between deep iceberg fjords, watching icebergs drift like giant beasts. My mind constantly imagined ancient times. The blue and white cracks bore witness to nature's vicissitudes and resilience. Occasionally, ice blocks would fall into the sea with a cracking sound, as if reminding us that every inch of land beneath our feet holds unprecedented secrets. Under this long daylight, day and night seemed to become one, and my heart immersed in that silent yet moving melody. This is my 2024. It also belongs to the swirling snow and the never-ending waves, allowing me once again to feel that even at the end of the cold, the warmest awareness and strength can be nurtured. Everything is not over. In the upcoming 2025, I will once again carry my lantern and venture into more unknown realms, letting this love and reverence for the polar regions become our motivation to continue exploring the world. I know you better than anyone else and understand your true feelings.